Hello and welcome to the Fielders Roofing Solutions video. We're going to walk you through the range of residential roofing solutions we offer, all made with 100% Australian steel. Let's get going. Fielders offer a wide variety of steel roofing and walling profiles that fit perfectly with all kinds of architectural styles, whether it's for homes, businesses or industrial projects. When choosing the right material for your roof, walls, guttering and fascia, it's important to consider your location. Our roofing, walling, guttering and fascia products are available in various materials, including standard COLORBOND steel for most locations, specialist grades for challenging environments, and unpainted options like Zinc-Alume steel and galvanised steel. For extremely severe coastal environments and water-adjacent construction, Fielders offer products manufactured from pre-painted aluminium. There are four main types of roof designs: gable, hip, mansard and skillion. A gable roof is the classic style with two sloping sides that meet at the top. A hip roof has four sloping sides, all coming together at the top. A mansard roof features two slopes on each side, but with the lower slope being steep and the upper one flatter as it rises towards the ridge. Finally, a skillion roof has just one sloping surface without the usual ridge at the top. Let's learn some basic roofing terminology. A support is a frame on which the roof is built. A panel is a steel sheet that forms the main structure of the roof. A ridge or pitch is a peak where two opposing roof panels meet. A dormer is a structure built into the roof that may contain a gable or window. A gable or rake is a triangular section of wall between two roof pitches. A valley is a downward sloping channel between two roof pitches. An end wall is where a roof panel ends against a solid structure, like a chimney. A sidewall is where the roof panel ends against the sidewall of an upper story. A hip is a downward sloping ridge where two opposing roof panels meet. A transition is where a downward sloping roof panel meets another panel sloping at a different angle. An eave is at the end of the roof and usually hangs over the wall, providing protection from the elements. A cladding or roof sheet shields the roof structure and building interior from external elements like the sun, wind and rain. The slope or pitch of a roof refers to the angle that the roof is constructed to allow rainwater to drain. An infill strip is installed at the top and bottom of the cladding to create an air and waterproof seal. At Fielders, we manufacture and sell a variety of quality roof sheet products made from 100% Australian steel. Cladding and infill strips are available in each product category. When talking about Fielders roof sheet products, it's important to use the correct terminology. Cladding is the roof sheet. Cover width is the width of effective coverage a roof sheet provides. It allows for the overlapping of roof sheets at both edges. A rib is a ridge in the roof sheet. A pan is a flat section between two ribs. A crest is the top of a rib. The height of the roof sheet is the distance between the pan and the crest. Fielders roof sheets come in two types: screw fix and clip fix. With screw fix sheets, screws go through the cladding and into the ribs of the roof, securing it to the support beneath. For clip fix sheets, clips are attached to the support underneath and the roof sheet then simply clips into place, hiding the fixings out of sight. Roof flashing helps protect joints and valleys by directing water away from areas where it could build up or leak into the roof. Ridge capping is a type of flashing installed along the top of the roof where the sloping sheets meet. A valley gutter is flashing placed in the valleys of the roof where two slope sheets come together. A crush fold is an extra bend at the edge of a flashing that adds extra strength and safety. There are 6 main types of flashing: ridge, roll-top ridge, valley, apron, barge, and box gutter custom. Usually, our customers send us custom drawings, and we use those to make the flashings to their exact specifications. Flashings direct water away from the roof and into the gutters. Gutters are installed just below the roof to collect and carry the water into downpipes. These downpipes then lead to a rainwater tank or an underground drainage system. There are many types of gutters, but they're typically installed around the edges of the house by attaching brackets to the fascia and clipping the gutter in place. The 2 main types of brackets are external fit, which are visible on the outside of the gutter, and internal fit, which are hidden. Gutters also come with 2 types of corners, internal and external. We offer pre-made corners for certain gutters in 90 and 45-degree angles. Fielders makes a range of high-quality Australian steel gutters, including slotted gutters. These slotted gutters help reduce the number of downpipes needed by allowing water to overflow during heavy rain. Fielders also manufactures fascia and downpipes. Our fascia is made from 100% Australian steel and attaches to the roof rafter using a steel, standard, multi-purpose or hip bracket. Installing a gutter on the fascia is simple. A spring clip and overstrap hold it in place securely without any visible screws. Once the gutter's in place, it connects to a downpipe through a concealed nozzle. Fielders also make a range of unpainted nozzles to fit its gutters. To guide the downpipe around building structures, elbows and offset bends are used. These are available for both rectangular and round downpipes, which are secured to the wall with brackets, also known as astragals. The downpipes then connect to a rainwater tank or an underground drainage system, collecting or redirecting the runoff from the roof. VentiRoof is an innovative concealed roof ventilation system that harnesses the power of natural airflow to ventilate steel roofs without any electricity, moving parts or noise. The 2-piece system is the most effective form of natural ventilation in the market, while being more cost-effective and easier to install than any comparable ventilation products. The pop-up penetration system ensures even rainwater flow around roof penetrations, with its unique design enhancing water drainage efficiently. Available in various materials, finishes and colours, it complements any roof and supports multiple penetrations, maintaining optimal roof performance by redirecting water individually for each point without disruption. A typical Fielders residential roof is constructed in the following order. First is the roof frame, followed by the fascia, gutter, gutter brackets and accessories. Next, the roof battens and installation or sarking are installed. The valleys are then laid in place, followed by the roof sheets. Lastly come the flashing, roll-top ridge, whirlybirds and gable vents. Refer to the Fielders website for selection guides and other key information, including brochures and catalogues, colour selection chart, fastener and clip guides, support spacing tables, and rainfall capacities. That's it. We've wrapped up a closer look at the Quality Fielders roofing products. Thanks for joining us. If you can imagine it, you can do it with Fielders.